What's up guys, I'm out with Autosport, and as you can see there is a drag strip behind me. Got my Audi here. We're going to be doing a few pulls today here at Bandimere in the clouds in Colorado. I'm here with Jeff from Payne Performance and Engineering. He's over in tech right now with his Supra. We're both kind of doing the same thing right now, and that's just kind of testing our tunes that we've been working on. Him with his Supra, me with the Audi. We've got the COBB ACCESSPORT on this Audi, and we are probably the first COBB-tuned Audi S3 on a drag strip. And I say COBB-tuned, it is using the ACCESSPORT to tune through, but the tunes that we'll be running today will be the ones I've developed on the dyno. I'm going to start with the COBB Stage 0 map, which is basically stock. I've also got their stock transmission map. That'll be my baseline. Then we're gonna run my Stage 1 91 octane tune, and then I'm gonna put in some ethanol, and we're gonna do the E30 tune. The car is completely stock right now, just tuning today. And we are very fortunate and appreciative of Bandimere for opening up the track for a handful of people to come get some runs in. My last pass on 91 dropped from a 13.5 to a 13.3 with just changing launch control settings, and I also switched from the Sport COBB trans map to the aggressive COBB trans map. Now I'm just taking a look at the data log. Everything's looking pretty good. I think I might be able to get just a little bit more boost in first and second gear. So I'm going to, I made a few changes to the map, and I'm about to flash that now. Yeah, so it's flashing now, it's flashing my map. So yeah, all I did on this map is I just bumped the torque request in first and second gear by a little bit, and maybe see if we can't get just a teensy bit more boost. I also raised my launch control, and hoping to get my 60 foots down, because my 60 foots right now are pretty poor. They're about 1.96 was the last one, and before that was like a 1.98. I'd really love a 1.8. So we'll see if bumping the RPM at launch will help with that. So far I'm not spinning, so I'm not having any spinning issues. So I think I can get away with a little bit higher launch RPM. 13,134. Got my 60 foot down a little bit. 1856. All right, time to put the ethanol in. Let's go run a 12. Yeah, so we just got some ethanol in the tank. We should be around an E30 mixture, which I've got it tuned for. So we're gonna see what it does now with some extra horsepower. We just clipped off 13,134, which is down from our baseline at 13,777. So far so good. And now with the ethanol, we should be able to squeeze some more out. I just want to get into the 12s. Like I want to see just a high 12. I'd be happy with anything below 13 flat, really. Thank you. $13,040. 104.64. I screwed that up, guys. Screwed the pooch. Dang it. Tried to short shift, but I short shifted at just the wrong time, and it double shifted into fifth. So that's gonna have a drastically negative effect on my time. Which means I gotta go again. I was hoping for that to be the last one. Should just leave well enough alone, really. Oh, but I got my 12. I screwed that up bad, but I got my 12. Okie dokie, I think that's gonna be my last run. Thank you. There it is, bam. 12,868, 105.8 miles an hour. I'm taking that home. Go tell my wife that her car is fast. So we're finished up today at the track here at Bandimere. Jeff and I both are extremely happy with our times. We both got the times we were hoping for, what we thought we would get. I started today with the 13.77 at 98 miles an hour and ended the day at a 12.86 at 105 miles an hour. Tune only, no mods on the car, just E30 tune at the end. As far as the 91 tune is concerned, sorry guys, we are at a track, there are loud cars. As far as the 91 tune is concerned, I finished that one off at 13,134 and the trap was 102. Very happy with the improvements, and I want to take a second to thank COBB Tuning for sending me an ACCESSPORT, letting me get to play with this thing. It is released now as of this video being posted. It actually released on Monday earlier this week. And you guys can go to our website, pick one up. You can run the off-the-shelf tunes that come with it, or you can get a custom e-tune if you want. And we'd be happy to tune you on the dyno or do an email tune for your Audi S3. Anyways, thanks for watching our video. Be sure and give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We are going to be doing some more videos on this Audi S3 and hope to get some faster times here at the track soon. Got a COBB downpipe on the way, and then we'll do some other mods as well. It's a wrap for now. We'll catch you next time.